hindi mag-circulate ang ilo blood. So the respiratory system of a shark is very different from a human's because sharks do not have trachea, lungs, and a diaphragm for gas exchange. Yes. Mayroon sila gills. Dito sila gas exchange. Instead of alveoli, the oxygen is absorbed by gills. Sharks also absorb oxygen from water rather than the air like humans do. So, ano na ang obra sa respiratory system ng shark. So, i-recap natin ang respiratory. So, pagsulot sa water sa ilang mouth, makato sa gills, at din ito bilis ang oxygen, then ma-exit ang water through the pakato sa pagwa sa throughout the gill slits. Then, amo na ang pag-work man sa cardiovascular system. So, what is capillaries? Capillaries are delicate blood vessels that exits throughout your body. They transport blood, nutrients, and oxygen to cells, inner organs, and body systems. So the afferent bronchial arteries, these are arteries arise from the ventral aorta which supply the oxygenated blood to the gills for oxygenation. While the afferent bronchial arteries, these arteries arise from the gills and supply oxygenated blood to all body parts. So a nervous system is functions in communication between the various parts of an organisms and its external environment. So ang nervous system ko is ang function niya is mag-communicate sa every various parts sa lawas ng shark. So it consists of the central nervous system, the brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system, the sense organs, cranial and spinal nerves, and their branches. Optic nerve, also known as cranial nerve 2, a sensory nerve that carries visual signals from the retina to the brain's visual cortex. Pag ang olfactory nerve is for smelling, kaya naman si optic nerve is for, when I say visual is for seeing signals visual signals. Okay, so olfactory bulb. The olfactory bulb is part of the brain and is where the olfactory nerve extends to. Ang mas hinahambak ko ang olfactory bulb, parts ng brain where the olfactory nerve extends. Here are some other parts ng brain sa shark. So again, the olfactory nerve and the optic nerve. Here are they again. The trigeminal nerve and the vagus nerve are all cranial nerves that perform a variety of functions in the body. So, ang sila mag-communicate kung ano ang i-react sa shark. So, okay, nabalata naman ang olfactory nerve, tigina is about for smelling, and optic nerve is for seeing, sa eyes. So, ang balanda naman is trigeminal nerve, a nerve that provides sensations in the face, eyes, and inside the mouth, and also allows for chewing. So, ang ining nerve is may ang connection sa may eyes, kung paano mahulag ang eyes, kung paano sila magkaon, kung paano sila magmuklat, yung like that. Ang nasa natawag, trigeminal nerve. Ang nerve sa face ng shark. Nag-communicate kung paano sila So, ang vagus nerve, a nerve that regulates many automatic bodily processes, including heart rate, digestion, blood pressure, and breathing. So, ang vagus nerve naman niya, isa mo naman isang sa mga for digestion, tapos sila kaon, paano nila i-digest, paano ang ila pagginhawa. So, mula sa ang vagus nerve. So, ang shark may man sang cerebellum, also known as the little brain. The cerebellum is located at the back of the head, below the temporal and occipital lobes. It's responsible for balance, movement, and coordination. So, ang cerebellum is ang little brain sang shark. Gamay yung brain sang shark. Kilitol. So, ang yes, yun yung function is paano sila mag-balance, paano sila magbulag. Kumbaga, doon mo siyang message so, diba sa ito nga tao, brain is ang message siya para na magbulag. So, man sa shark. Little brain, ang muna sa ang responsible kung paano mag-balance yung lawas, kung paano sa magbulag, kung ano hulagon niya, kung ano i-react niya, kung paano mag-coordinate ang bilog yung kalawasan. So, ang masa. So, medulla. The medulla is part of the brainstem. Kung kaginang cerebellum is ang little brain, so yun naman niya ang medulla is ang brainstem, which also includes the pons and midbrain. So, the brainstem connects the cerebrum to the spinal cord and controls many automatic functions such as breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. So, muna sa medulla. Ang brain connects sa cerebrum to spinal cord. Tapos muna sa control sa mga insigida nila, mga function. So, from brain, maagi sa cerebrum to spinal cord. Tapos muna, paano ang ilang pagginhawa, paano ang ilang heartbeat, and blood pressure. So, cerebral means relating to the brain or intellect, the brain, or involving intelligence rather than emotions or instincts. So, sa optic lobe is a large, complex part of the brain that processes visual information from the eyes. So optic lobe is sense of seeing ni siya. Amo ni sa ang gahatag ang ga-process sang iya nga makita ng mga information halin sa eyes ya to the brain. Amo na siya ang optic lobe. So ang spinal cord, the last one, is a column of nerve tissue that runs from the base of the skull down the center of the back, carrying messages between the brain and the rest of the body. So, ang brain is brain, cerebrum, and spinal cord. So, ang brain ang nasugo, din ang sa spinal cord din, siya ang ma-function kag ang mahulag sa bilog yung lawas. So, that's all. Thank you. Ciao!